Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Parsekar's first budget hit roadblock halfway, huge shortfall in targeted revenues, borrowings and plan enforcement, debt at 16,000 crores. Goan Alakpati borrower, watch budget Panchanama. BJP's day-long Ghar Chalao Abhiyan, party workers distribute booklets of government schemes, initiatives and works, aims visiting 2.5 lakh houses across 1,600 booths. Luisino to continue as GPCC President, Chella Kumar clears. Senior Rane says decision to expel Babush was Congress's. 4 MLAs skip public meet. RSS cadre gets a new uniform, khadi shorts to be replaced with brown full-length pants. 9-decade-old khadi pants to be history. RSS men can wear khadi pants in shakas. And defending champions ONGC overcame Indian Army to enter Federation Cup finals. Kerala beat Telangana for a place in women's title clash. Now the news in details. Parsekar's led government first budget has hit a roadblock before halfway mark. 13,000 crore worth budget targeted a revenue of 9,900 crores, but the actuals may touch 8,400 crores. The capital plan worth 3,200 crores has seen an enforcement of just around 1,000 crores as the government has preferred to curtail its borrowings to 950 crores till date, posing an uncertainty over the rest 70% plan. The accumulated borrowings and the public account debt has touched 16,000 crores, making Goikar a Lakpati borrower. Meanwhile, CM Parsekar is set to present his second budget on Wednesday. Watch Budget Panchanama.
It's a year-end now, and Finance Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar's half of the budget plan lost its way. He took almost 2.5 hours to present 13,000 crore budget last year. However, tabled almost 1,200 crore less. 11,800, that is with a 10% budget deficit. Government had set a target of 9,900 crores including tax, non-tax, central grants and a share in the central taxes. But the revenue doesn't seem crossing a figure of 8,400 crores. Deficit of almost 1,500 crores. Government targeted revenue of 830 crore per month, but somehow it receives only 700 crores. That is 130 crore shortfall per month. The situation is reflected in the commercial tax. Target was 3,000 crores, but may touch a maximum of 2,700 crores, 10% below the target. Now have a look at the fate of plan in the budget. 3,121 crore of capital plan. This plan cannot be enforced without borrowings, while the proposed revenue plan is worth 3,042 crore. Revenue is almost 1,500 crore less. Government has borrowed till date only 950 crores for a capital plan of 3,121 crores. Even assuming that no borrowings are utilized for monthly salaries, pensions, still 30% plan would not be enforced. With this, almost 60% of the proposed budget is gone for toss. Now, have a look. Parsekar announced 13,000 crore budget. However, the enforcement would likely be at a maximum of 9,000 crores. But look at the state of the debt and liabilities. Borrowings and public account debt figures has crossed 16,000 crores, of which 11,000 crores are borrowings from the market and the union government, and rest 5,000 is a public accounts debt. That means each of the 15 lakh Goans is a Lakpati borrower. Though in an election year the economy is not in a position to support additional populistic schemes, government will prefer to somehow back the existing ones as it would be risky to stop populistic schemes or even trim the beneficiaries in an election year. Now the question is whether government will ex the manufacturing and service sector to meet the financial needs or will prefer a fiscal discipline. Though inflationary, it will rise a petroleum VAT further or will auction the iron ore and manage the year-long show somehow. Will it be innovative in additional resource mobilization or prefer routine tax and tariffs hike? Wednesday will clear it all. Bureau Report, Prudent.
BJP government completed 4 years on 9th of March. Celebrating completion of 4 years, BJP workers were on a Ghar Chalao Abhiyan on Sunday. Party workers distributed booklets of BJP government schemes, developmental works and other initiatives launched in the last 4 years. However, the party is yet to resolve the contentious issues mentioned in its poll manifesto. Mahagathbandhan on Saturday grilled the government. This is how Panji MLA Siddharth Kunklekar reacted.
दुसऱ्या साइडीन एक महागठबंधन जाला की सरकाराक एक ऑपोजिशन स्ट्रॉंग करपा हाजेर तुमचें कितें मत आसा?
म्हाका दिसता लोकांनी सगळे काल कोण खंयचे अलिबाबा आनी तांचे चोर आयिल्ले पळय जवळ ते सगळे पळयल्या ताजेर म्हाका कितें कमेंट करपाक आसा लोक कितें कमेंट करतले.
Party workers distributed booklet of BJP government schemes, developmental works and other initiatives launched in last 4 years. The party aims at visiting 2.5 lakh houses across 1,600 booths in 40 constituencies.
सत्तेर येताना जी आश्वासनां जाहीरनाम्यांतून दिल्ली त्या आश्वासनांची आमी कशी पूर्तता केली ही सांगपा खातीर 4 वर्सां पूर्ततेच्या निमित्तान आमचे कार्यकर्ते गोंयच्या 40 मतदारसंघांत सगळ्या बुथांनी घरोघर आज 13 मार्चाक भोंवतले.
In last 4 years, BJP is yet to resolve the issues like the regional plan, MOI, casino. MLAs claim they are working on it.
Regional plan, casino, MOI चेर solution ना अजून सारखे या इशूंचेर लोकांक कितें सांगतले?
Definitely we are working out solutions. As the time passes, the solutions will definitely come.
Regional plan issue आता आमी घेयला. आता आमी regional plan आमी ओपन केला. ती casino हाडले, काँग्रेसीन आमी हाडूना casino. ते आमी प्रोसिजर फॉलो करून ते आमी काजिनो पत्ते रिलोकेट करतले आनी फायनल बी ती MOI इशू आमी आतां इंग्लिशी ग्रांट चालू केल्या आमी काय ग्रांट्स बंद करूना सो देन वे द क्वेश्चन ऑफ MOI इशू.
Printing and Stationery Department printed booklets on BJP government completing 4 years. Sources say department has spent almost 5 lakhs on the printing. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Luisino Falero will continue as the GPCC president. AICC secretary in charge of Goa, Chella Kumar, said Luisino will continue as the president of State Congress Party. Earlier, Prudent had reported that Luisino will continue to be the GPCC president. Meanwhile, Pratap Singh Rane has cleared his side, claiming sacking Babush was party's decision. On Saturday, Vishwajit Rane criticized party for sacking Babush from Congress. A public meeting was held in Vasco. Few Congress MLAs abstained from attending the meeting.
Luisin will continue as the GPCC president. Reports were floating that there was huge lobbying against Luisin Falero in past few days. There were several meetings in Delhi with the High Command demanding removal of Luisin from the party presidentship. But Prudent has reported that Luisin will hold on to the post. Chella Kumar has confirmed the news.
He is the president. He is the president. Not at all.
Congress held a public meet in Vasco on Sunday. Congress leaders like Pandurang Madkekar, Digambar Kamath, Pratap Singh Rane were present for the meet, except for 4 MLAs like Vishwajit, Jennifer, Babu and Morvin who skipped the meet. Vishwajit Rane on Saturday had criticized Congress party for removal of Babush from the party. Pratap Singh Rane too says it was party's decision.
आता हांव उलोवं शकना कोण कोणाच्या बद्दल पार्टीचे निर्णय तो
तुमचा निर्णय नासलो
पार्टीचो निर्णय.
Dishant Parab for Prudent.
All Goa Truck Owners Association has temporarily suspended agitation over trip rate. The truck owners have agreed to settle for a rate of 10.30 paisa per ton per kilometre as of now. Truck owners will also propose for a new rate by May. They have warned to hit the street if in May SEZA company does not resolve their rate issue. The ore transportation is likely to start by tomorrow. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.